Feeling frustrated with your weight loss journey? You're not alone. Many people pour their hearts into workouts only to find the scale barely budges. But here's the kicker. Exercise, while crucial for overall health, might not be the weight loss powerhouse you'd expect. Let's dive in. At its core, weight loss boils down to a simple equation: burn more calories than you consume. However, as expert Rachel Woods points out, it's rarely that straightforward. We often incorporate exercise, hoping to tip the scales in our favor. But the research paints a more nuanced picture. But before you toss your gym shoes, remember this: exercise is still a non-negotiable for your health, especially for keeping the weight off once you reach your goal. It's about so much more than just the numbers. So why doesn't exercise always equal dramatic weight loss? Several factors are at play. Appetite amplification. Workouts can rev up your hunger, leading you to eat more. It's a natural response, but it can offset the calories you've burned. Subconscious slacking. You might move less throughout the day after a workout. This compensatory behavior can subtly reduce the overall impact of your exercise. Metabolic adaptation. Your body becomes more efficient over time, burning fewer calories for the same activity. This is your body's clever way of defending against weight loss, a survival mechanism honed over millennia. From an evolutionary perspective, conserving energy during times of intense physical activity was crucial for survival. But in today's world, this metabolic adaptation can make weight loss more challenging. The critical role of exercise. While exercise might not be the primary driver of weight loss, it shines when it comes to maintaining weight loss. Studies show that exercise has a limited effect on initial weight loss. However, those who maintain higher levels of physical activity after losing weight are much more likely to keep the weight off. And let's not forget the myriad of health benefits. Exercise is linked to better cholesterol levels, reduced inflammation, improved blood sugar control, and enhanced insulin sensitivity. These factors all contribute to a lower risk of serious health problems like heart disease and type 2 diabetes. Plus, combining exercise with weight loss drugs like Saxenda may boost your chances of long-term success. The exercise paradox, unraveling the mystery. It may seem counterintuitive that exercise is less effective for losing weight, but helpful for preventing weight regain. The reasons are complex, but several mechanisms offer an explanation. Resting energy expenditure. When you lose weight, your resting energy expenditure, the calories your body burns at rest, decreases more than you'd expect. Exercise can help offset this by increasing your total daily energy expenditure. Muscle mass matters. Weight loss often leads to a loss of both fat and muscle. Losing muscle lowers your resting energy expenditure, which can contribute to weight regain. Exercise, especially resistance training, helps preserve or rebuild muscle mass, boosting your metabolism. Fat burning efficiency. After weight loss, your body may become less efficient at using fat for energy. Intense exercise can improve fat burning and metabolic flexibility, the ability to switch between burning carbs and fat. This helps your body continue burning fat even when calorie intake is low. Insulin sensitivity. Exercise improves insulin sensitivity, reducing the amount of insulin needed to regulate blood sugar. High insulin levels can promote fat storage and reduce fat breakdown. Indirect benefits. Exercise has many indirect effects that aid in weight maintenance. For example, it can improve sleep, mood, and reduce stress levels. These all reduce levels of the stress hormone cortisol, which could lower the amount of fat the body stores. Appetite and glucose regulation. Regular activity can also help regulate appetite and blood glucose, which may help reduce cravings and limit overeating. The bottom line, it's personal. It's important to remember that everyone is different. We all respond differently to exercise, both in terms of calorie burn and how hungry we feel afterward. Different types of workouts also offer unique benefits. Aerobic exercise burns calories and at higher intensities may also enhance the body's ability to burn fat for fuel. Resistance training helps build and preserve muscle mass. This supports a higher resting energy expenditure, aiding long-term weight maintenance. Exercise may not be the magic bullet for weight loss, but it's a powerful tool for sustaining your hard-earned results. More importantly, It offers a wealth of physical and mental health benefits that go far beyond the numbers on the scale. What are your thoughts? Do you find it challenging to lose weight despite exercising? What strategies have worked best for you in maintaining your weight loss? Share your experiences in the comments below.